welcome back to my YouTube channel. You don't know, it's a girl Queen Sands back at you again in my raw state. I never come on here with my natural hair, never. Y'all, I cut my hair off. Listen, I was so done. I was so over with having hair on my head. So as y'all can see, the title in the description box, it's virgin hair right now. Virgin hair. I ain't got no hairline. The whole of my side peel out, guys. But guess what? I'm gonna be going back to blonde. I'll insert an old picture with me blonde in, I think it was 2020. I went blonde for the first time, y'all. I will insert an old picture. So guys, I'm gonna, you know, I already cut my hair off. I believe it was like 2 weeks ago, and it started to get some new growth already, and I cut that right back off yesterday. So I tried to make it feel as even as possible. It's not as short as I really wanted it to be right now, because I don't want to cut it too short and then it's uneven. And then remember, some you can't see the back of my head, guys, so I don't want to, you know, no bald spot or no, you know, not like that. I'm my ear done tear out already, right? Y'all, listen, I'm not a professional at bleaching hair. I'm not a professional at cutting hair. I'm not a professional at nothing. I just freestyle, okay? Because I don't want to, you know, that's the vibes I want to have, you know, short hair and all these things, y'all. Okay, guys, so I'll be bleaching my hair today, and this is the trio that I use. I use my basic whites. Yes, I just bought them at a convenience store, y'all. Yeah, so they give me, this is for like 50 Jamaican dollars for like one bag, and I bought like 8. And I have my 40 volume developer, and I have my Shimmer Lights shampoo, which will be used to gives you a more cleaner blonde. It just brings the blonde up more, and the silver, whichever high color that you're bleaching hair. Yeah, the Shimmer Lights. Anytime that I'm bleaching my hair blonde, or I'm bleaching my sister's hair blonde, or anybody's hair blonde, I normally use my Shimmer Lights shampoo. Guys, I am not a trained professional. Listen, I am not professional whatsoever, but these are the products that I use. And I have my little old Eco Styler mix. Well, this is the Eco Styler jar, and I use it to mix my bleaching hair formula. Yeah, so the basic white and the volume 40. Yeah, pure white cream developer, that's what I mix in here. Yeah, guys, so let's get this show on the road to go blonde. Okay, y'all, so I put my basic white in here, guys. Don't mind my hands, you know, little basic white touched it, but I put all my little bags of basic white that I got, my 8 bags. And now I'm gonna put my Clairol Professional Pure White Volume Developer, right? So I'm gonna pour that in. You don't want to get it too liquidy, guys. Get like a little thick consistency. Okay, y'all, so this is the consistency that you want to get. It's like a thick, creamy consistency. It's not too thick, it's not too thick, and it's not too runny. I actually had 9 packs. I bought 9 packs of basic white, and this is the consistency you want to get, right? Remember, guys, not runny, but like a thick, creamy consistency. If you want to get a little bit lighter than this, if you like have a full head of hair, you know, you're gonna need to use more basic white and more volume developer, but this is the consistency I need right now. My hair is very short, so I don't really like need a lot. So guys, I will be bleaching. I'm gonna be using basic white, which I already mixed. Okay, I already mixed my basic white, y'all. This is the consistency of my basic white that I already mixed. It's like a thick, rich, creamy consistency. All right. Okay, yeah, I have a very big forehead. Terrible, right? I'm gonna be washing my hair, so you know, you should bleach your hair before you wash it. And I'm gonna be using my Shimmer Lights purple shampoo to wash my hair. Okay, all right, guys, so I have my gloves on, and I'm gonna just coat my hair with the basic white and the volume developer mix that I made, my bleaching formula, and I'll get back to you guys. Y'all, this is me with that glass. This is my natural state. Not me using a black scandal bag to cover my hair. Y'all, I had to just improvise, okay? I had to improvise because I had no plastic shower caps or nothing. So I'm gonna let this sit for 1 hour and 20 minutes and I'm gonna be back. Y'all, tell me why it's not giving what it's supposed to give. I'm upset. Y'all, I am upset right now because my hair is not giving what it's supposed to give, okay? Yeah, I put this scandal bag over it. Y'all, look at what it's giving. I don't feel like it's giving, you know? It's giving yellow. It's not giving icy white, and I wanted it to give icy white. Y'all, can you see my hair? I hate this color. You feel so?
Yes.
I hate this color. I want white.
I want that.
You want this color?
Yes.
For all your hair or one are you into hair? For
For
me? I don't feel it. I don't feel it. It's not giving what it's supposed to give, you know?
Especially when you flat it down.
When I flat it down? Because, yeah, my mother... Yeah, my mom hates when I bleach my hair. I'm not getting the vibe that I wanted to get, you know? I'm not getting that vibe from my hair. I had it in my hair for like a whole. And it's not giving what I really wanted to give. So I'm gonna have to bleach my hair again, guys, next week to give it a higher lift. I think it's the bleach powder. Well, it got a little bit of... Well, it got most of the back. Oh! Right here, it's not bleach as much. Oh my god, I hate that. Oh my god, I hate that. I'm gonna be bleaching it again, guys. I'm gonna be bleaching it again next week for me to get like a higher lift because I really want my hair to be icy. So I'm gonna give it about a week, roughly like a week. I'll give it roughly a week, but BHS this summer, guys. If you know, you know. Okay, if you know, you'll know, and if you don't know, you don't know, baby. You don't need to know. You don't need to know, child. But I feel like it's giving. I feel like I look cute. What's a good thing? Some cute. Can't rock shots here. This not see. It's a good thing. Some not ugly. Big up my Van Desman good jeans. But yeah, I'm gonna wash my hair out right now, and I'll get back after I wash with my Shimmer shampoo. The good things, them guys. This will kind of bring down the brassiness or the yellowness of my hair a little bit, and then I'll see if I like it or not. But I know I'm gonna bleach this on next week. Probably might cut it a little shorter, but I'm not gonna bleach it out. Yeah. Y'all, I hate it. Y'all, give me a moment of silence. Because I want to cry, child. Y'all give me a moment of silence real quick. Because it's not giving what it's supposed to get. Y'all, it's... Y'all, give me a moment of silence right now. Give me a moment of silence because my hair is not giving what it's supposed to get. yo. I think I want to cry. This is a failed attempt from going black to icy blonde. I want to cry right now. Deadass. The only place I kind of caught the color that I kind of want to like kind of near it is right here. Right here is still black. Bro, what is this? Right here, just a little bit. Right here, just a little bit. But it's like giving like... It's giving teddy bear. Mr. Teddy Bear. Yeah, that's what it's giving. It's giving Mr. Teddy Bear, okay? I will be bleaching it again. Maybe next week or the week after. But yeah, I'm gonna do my makeup and gel this down and see how it turns out. Guys, I am so upset right now. I cannot believe... Yo, deadass. It's not giving. It's not giving. Yo, it's not giving. I don't know what to say right now. I'm upset right now. You know what I'm saying? I'm upset right now. Y'all, let me tell you something. I'm so upset I didn't get the color I wanted, but as mentioned in the opening of my video, I will be trying it again this week because as mentioned in the video, I use my volume 40 developer, so I'll be using it again. I think I might need to get a toner, even though I use my Shimmer shampoo. It didn't really tone the color down as much as I thought it would, so I will be getting a toner the next time, and to try to get that, you know, lift. And then after I wear icy blonde, I might try to go ginger. Yeah, I kind of love the ginger look. I think I'm gonna bleach one of my wigs ginger too. Yeah. Yeah, honey. It's another bad. Y'all, I'm having too much fun. I'm having too much fun with this blonde. You better believe it. Anyways, bye y'all.
No man, me alone not look so good, God no. And me coming like color here. For sure.